Now, what are the different steps to create a Miyawaki forest? The first one, test your soil. Second, you need to prepare your soil depending on the result of your test. Then select plant varieties. What are the different plants you're going to, or varieties of plants you're going to plant? Then marking the planting and servicing area. Then digging pits 1 feet deep and 1 feet wide. Then plant the saplings randomly. Support the saplings with a stick. Cover the planting area with mulching material. Then care for the saplings. Now we'll discuss these steps in detail. First is test your soil. So for testing your soil, there are two different types of test. One is ball test, the other one is ribbon test. For ball test, what you do is you take a small amount of soil in your hand, mix some water and try to make a ball. The smoothness of the ball and how easy it is to make tells the type of soil. So if you have a very smooth ball and it is very easily and you are able to make the ball very easily, it means you have clay soil. If your ball is little coarse and it will not as easy to make and it's not smooth at all, then you have loamy soil, and it is really difficult to make a ball. Often you're not able to make the ball, it breaks. Then you have sandy soil. Another test is ribbon test. Here again you take a small amount of soil in your hand, mix some water and try to make a ribbon out of it. Just roll it and try to make a ribbon. If you're able to make a smooth long ribbon, then again you have clay soil. If you're not able to make very long ribbon, it's not smooth and it breaks after a few inches, it breaks, then you have loamy soil. And if you are not able to make the ribbon at all, it breaks even the moment you start to make the ribbon, it breaks. Then you have sandy soil. Now next is, once you have identified the type of your soil, you need to prepare your soil. So for clay soil, for every 1000 square feet of land, you need to add 150 kg of coco peat, 500 kg of vermicompost and 500 kg of rice husk. This 150 kg of coco peat this 150 kg is not the coco peat powder, but it is the expanded quantity. So basically 1 kilo of coco peat, 1 kilogram of coco peat, once you soak into water, it expands to around 5 kg. So that expanded volume you need to consider, 150 kilograms of coco peat, the expanded coco peat. Similarly, for sandy soil, for every 1000 square feet of land, you need to add 500 kilogram of coco peat and 500 kilogram of vermicompost. Now, for loamy soil, this is very ideal soil. Loamy soil, you don't have to add anything for loamy soil. Now, after you have prepared your soil, you have added these materials. What you need to do is you have procured these materials. What you need to do is you need to dig the entire planting area 1 meter deep, excavate the soil, and add the above materials in the excavated soil. Mix them well, and again fill the pit with the mixture. So basically, you will have a 1 meter deep trench wherein you will have all these materials mixed and filled up. And this information I have got from a YouTube channel called Forest Creators.